How to create an account on Google Meet. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to get started on using Google Meet, what you're gonna do is you have to create an account first. Now, in order to create an account, first of all, launch the Google Meet application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner, you can see two options, join and this. Now, what you can do is in the top right corner, you can see a person's icon. Tap on it, then it will show you all the emails over here that you have. However, if you want to log in from a different account, what you can do is tap on add another account, then tap on Google. After you do that, you have to verify that it's you. And now, if you already have an email with you, you can tap on email or phone, enter your email, tap on next, enter your password, then you will be signed in. However, if you want to create a whole new email account in order to log into Google Meet, then tap on create account. Then you can either choose for your personal use or for work or business. After you select any of them, enter your name. After you do that, enter your birth year, and after you do all that, tap on next and then fill the basic informations given to you. Then you can successfully create a new account. So this is how you can create an account on Google Meet. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.